Yeah, macro and CTA managers have really struggled, not just over the past year, but really since the crisis, coming out of the financial crisis. We think there's a couple of different reasons for that. One, if you think about what a macro manager or CTA manager typically needs in terms of an environment to generate returns, they need explosive trends and they need volatility. Additionally, dispersion amongst asset classes. Over the last several years or post-crisis, what we've seen in the markets is correlations of asset classes that are elevated, although they have come down a little bit recently. You've also seen a lack of explosive trends and a lack of volatility or a lower volatility regime that we've been in. So these factors combined have made it a fairly difficult environment for macro and CTA managers. We don't really see that changing anytime soon. Additionally, one thing that we point to is global macro managers in the current environment that have actually performed fairly well have done it so with reflationary type of trades. And these trades are obviously correlated to risk assets, exposures that we already have in our portfolio. So therefore, we're not seeing the correlation benefits of what you would typically expect from a global macro or CTA manager. So we expect to remain lightly exposed there.
All investments are subject to risk, including the possible loss of the money you invest. For more information about Skybridge Capital Multi-Advisor Hedge Fund Portfolio Series G, call 1-888-759-2730 to obtain a prospectus. Investment objectives, risks, charges, expenses, and other important information about a fund are contained in the prospectus. Read and consider it carefully before investing. This webcast is for educational purposes only. We recommend that you consult a professional advisor about your individual situation.